CyberClean Shoe Care, the magical in-shoe clean action. The inside of your shoes are infested with harmful odor-causing particles and bacteria, causing health problems for your feet. Keeping the inside of your shoes healthy and clean is almost impossible, but when you want them clean, there's CyberClean Shoe Care. CyberClean Shoe Care makes it simple, quick, and easy to clean inside your shoes. Just press in and pull out all the odor-causing particles and bacteria. CyberClean goes deep inside your shoes to remove it all. CyberClean Shoe Care can be used on any kind of footwear where traditional footwear cleaners fail to reach. Watch how it can clean your boots, shoes, casual shoes, sneakers, and much more. Now your feet feel as if they are in brand new shoes after every cleaning. Feel confident to put your feet up anywhere at any time.
CyberClean Shoe Care is a perfect solution for cleaning all footwear and for protecting the overall health of your feet. I use CyberClean Shoe Care every day and recommend using it to keep your feet fresh, clean, and the inside of your shoes feeling brand new.
CyberClean Shoe Care is patented, non-toxic, biodegradable, and reusable over and over again. CyberClean Shoe Care, the magical in-shoe clean action.